So today I'm going to cover the 4 BHK tower in Ambience Creations. Size of the apartment is 3976 square feet. So let's go inside and cover the apartment. So this is the main entrance lobby at the ground floor. So this is the actual lobby. From here we'll be moving towards the elevators. While moving towards the elevators, we'll be having a common washroom at the ground floor for the visitors. In this tower, we have 2 elevators, which will be catering 34 families in total, as we have apartments till 16th floor, 2 apartments per floor. So 32 apartments and 2 penthouses in this entire tower. So now let's move towards the first floor, where we'll be exploring our 4 BHK apartment. So now we are at the first floor where we have the sample apartment. So let's move towards the sample. Right in the front we have servant room. Even in the servant room you will have Italian marble throughout, even on the bathroom walls. And the servant room is connected to kitchen through utility. So now let's move towards the apartment from the main entrance. So this will be our standardized door. It's an 8 feet teak wood door with extra paneling. We are providing this door in all the apartments. Same quality, same size. So right next to the entrance we have our kitchen. So in all the kitchens you will have same upper and lower cabinets. All the fittings are from Hetex soft close. Also we are providing all the white goods including RO, garbage crusher, hob, chimney, microwave, OTG and fridge will be provided. There will be a geyser concealed in the ceiling right above. From here we'll be moving towards the utility balcony. In the utility balcony we are providing washing machine and dryer. And even here you will find Italian marble throughout. So in the entire apartment we are not using tile or wooden flooring. So from the kitchen we'll be moving towards our first bedroom, which will be our guest bedroom, right next to the entrance. So in all the bedrooms we are providing you complete tile flooring along with false ceiling, light fixture, fan, ACs and wardrobes will be provided. So same quality wardrobe we are providing in all the rooms. And ACs that we are providing here, these are actually split ACs, although we have given a look of centralized AC to it. So now let's move towards the bathroom. So even in the bathroom you will have Italian flooring throughout, even on the bathroom walls. In all the bathrooms you will get glass partition. These are concealed in the ceiling with exhaust. So same finish you will find in all the bathrooms. So now let's move towards our living and dining area. So while moving towards the living and dining area, we have a storeroom. You can use it as a puja room as well. Living and dining area are coming in split design. So if I'll stand at one corner, you will be able to find how much space you will have in living and dining area. So right next to the living room, we have our balcony, which is 6 by 26 feet long. And this will be our sports arena. So right at the center we'll be having mini soccer ground, basketball court, volleyball court will be there. There will be a badminton court. So while moving towards our bedroom, our private bedrooms, we have a powder room. As all the personal rooms are connected through passage, so if someone is sitting in the living room, they don't have a direct visibility in the rooms. So this will be a kid's bedroom. So you will get all the standard things in the kids bedroom as well. Italian flooring, wardrobe, false ceiling, AC, light fixture and fans will be provided. Same specifications in the bathroom. And with this room we have a separate balcony. Another open area right next to the club. So this will be our club. From here I am moving towards our third bedroom. Best part about this room is that even here we have a closet like our master bedroom. So we are providing wardrobes inside. So from here we are moving towards master bedroom. So in the master bedroom we have two storage spaces. One right at the entrance, we have one set of wardrobe. And second set of wardrobe we are providing in the closet. So this is how the room look like. And this is our bathroom, a proper closet with another set of wardrobes inside. So right next to this bedroom we have a separate balcony. Because of three-side balcony in this apartment gets 180-degree view. So this is how the 4 BHK apartment looks like. If you need more details, you can call me on the number mentioned below. Thank you and have a wonderful day.